Gsuite for Education Part 3: Verifying your domain using DNS records. In this session, I will show you how to verify your domain using DNS records. Log into your Gsuite admin console using the username and password and click on Domains, and then choose Manage Domains, and you can see that it is written Not Verified. Click on Setup Admin Console and it will lead you to the page. Let's set up Gsuite for Education. In just a few steps, you will be set with a Gmail and other Gsuite app. So the Google is verifying your domain, that you own the domain. So they are preferring TXT verification, and there are other options too. You can easily do it yourself if you are managing the hosting. If somebody else is managing your hosting, I will show you how to do this step. These are the other verification methods. Create a CNAME record, add a meta tag, upload an HTML file, and the recommended method is create a TXT record. For creating the TXT record, you need the username and password for your hosting, that is your web server. You can copy the Google site verification code and create a text file and paste the code there, and go back to the page and copy the instructions for creating the TXT record and paste that too in the text file. You can send this text file to your hosting managing people and ask them to verify the domain. I will show you how to edit the DNS records. This is the home page of iPage where our website is hosted. Log into the admin panel. Find the DNS. So here is the DNS, that means a domain name system. You can add a DNS record by clicking that plus symbol. In the name field, you can enter @ or your domain name, and the type you can choose TXT, and the content box you can paste the Google verification code. Time to live, you can choose 1 hour and then click Add DNS. So it's done. I will show you the same process how to do in GoDaddy server, because most of you are using GoDaddy. Log into your admin panel using username and password. Click on the DNS button. Here are the DNS records. You can see type A records, CNAME records, MX records, NS and TXT. You can click add button to add a DNS record, as we did earlier. You can see a Google site verification code is already added in the DNS of this website. After verifying the domain, you will be asked by the Gsuite team to add MX records, that is mail exchanger records. You can do a similar process to add MX records to your DNS records. It is essential to receive Gmail through your domain. After adding the TXT records in your DNS, go back to the verifying your domain at your admin console and click verify my domain. That's all. The Google will verify your domain and you can use Gsuite for your academic institution. Thank you for watching our video. In our next video, I will show you how to set up organizational unit and how to create users and how to manage users and Google Apps.